In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to unblock accounts on Twitter using your PC. Sometimes you may want to give a second chance to accounts you've previously blocked. Follow these simple steps to unblock accounts on Twitter. To begin, visit the profile of the account you wish to unblock on Twitter. You can do this by searching for the username or clicking on a tweet or mention from that account. Next, locate the blocked button on the account's profile. This button indicates that you have previously blocked this account and provides you with the option to unblock it. Click or tap on the blocked button to reveal the unblock option. By selecting this option, you are confirming that you wish to unblock the account and restore their ability to interact with you on Twitter. After confirming your decision to unblock the account, Twitter will process the request and the account will be unblocked. You can now see their tweets, mentions, and engage with their content as before. By following these steps, you can easily unblock accounts on Twitter and manage your interactions on the platform effectively. Unblocking accounts can help foster positive communication and connections within your Twitter community.